on the Insta360 X5 and the GPS preview remote with a microphone, something like that, from Insta360. Everything is from Insta360 that I'm using for this setup. Here on Via Ferrata, I have an issue. Now, the camera, I have nothing to protect it with, which is a bummer. I would have loved to be able to protect the camera better. The lenses, I don't care because they are replaceable now. I no longer use lens protectors, but I smashed it yesterday. I don't know if you can see it. And the plastic, or this shows signs. The lens has a dent there of a plastic, but that's okay. The lens made it. I don't know how, but it made it. We'll see on the video if it touched or not the rock. Now, a problem that I have is the camera. Hard, very hard. This one gives me pixelated images. I don't know why. It appears it underperforms, which disappoints me because I paid a lot of money. It's not cheap. I think the cost of this is 1/3 of the cost of this, so not cool. I'm not able to adjust the preview to see exactly the angles. It is why I bought it. I want to see the angle to make sure that the selfie, invisible selfie stick, is in the right vector compared to my body on my back. I'm a bit disappointed. Hopefully Insta360 will do something about it. I don't know what to say. I don't know. I'm a bit disappointed. I would have loved this to work, but no, it takes, I have to wait. So I do the gesture and then I have to wait a couple of seconds for it to actually go to the camera and come back. I understand the limitations of the technology, but still, it is something that happens. That's okay. Yes, I'm putting the whole camera system together, and I'm ready to do the approach of this Via Ferrata. We are in North Macedonia. This is, I think, is their most extreme, or I think this is their hardest Via Ferrata in the country. They have a couple of more other Via Ferrata, but not as difficult as this one. If I'm not wrong, this is a level C, if I'm not wrong. The view, I don't know if you can see, we have alpine area, alpine peaks there with snow on them, and then all these peaks here with trees. It's beautiful. There is a lake to my right. Beautiful place.